How to activate USAA credit or debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate USAA debit or credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Activate USAA Debit Card and let's head over to this card activation FAQ. So here it will give us a step on how you can do so. So you can activate your card online, that's the first way. So you can head over here to this website, that is usaa.com/card activation, and you'll need to log in for that. So enter out your ID. After you enter your login ID, you will then need to tap add your password, and after you log in, it will prompt you to the card activation section. So you can activate it from there, or if you want to activate your credit card, you can call this number right here. And after you call that number, you can ask them to activate it. They will ask you for some information. So just, give them the information required and they will activate the card for you. The same goes for ATM or debit card. So you can do that from here and you're good to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.